Tired of your Mint Mobile RCS chats feeling more like old-school SMS? Let's dive into fixing common RCS issues so you can enjoy those enhanced messaging features. First, make sure that RCS is enabled inside of your messaging app. Usually Google Messages. Open the app, tap your profile icon. Then select Messages settings and then navigate to RCS chats to check if it's enabled. Device compatibility is important, so make sure that your device is compatible with RCS and that your operating system is up to date. Outdated software can cause connectivity problems. Next, ensure that your mobile data is active and stable. Weak connections can prevent RCS from establishing a stable connection, so check your signal strength and consider moving to an area with better coverage. If these steps don't work, then contact Mint Mobile customer service so that they can help you further. They can provide specific assistance related to your account and device, potentially resolving network-related issues. And that wraps up our troubleshooting guide for restoring your RCS chats on Mint Mobile. Hope this helps you get back to your rich messaging experience.